Slide number 8. Develop nets of solids. Directions. Read the information below, then answer the questions in the gray boxes below. A net, which is shown below, is a plain figure pattern, which when folded makes a solid. So my net is a flat picture, it's 2D, and we've got these different shapes. I see two green rectangles that are the same size. I see two blue rectangles that are the same size and two purple rectangles that are the same size. And they're labeled that the green ones are the left and the right, so they're the sides. Then we have the back and the front, and the top and the bottom are two bases. Number 1, how many faces does this net have? So let's remember that a face, when we're talking about a 3D shape, a face are the sides, not the top and the bottom, but what's around the outside. So when we fold this along these lines, we're going to get a 3D shape. In my second video on this slide, I'm going to show myself folding up a net that looks just like this so you can see what I'm talking about. So you want to know how many faces there are. So basically, anything that's not a base, so anything that's not the top or the bottom, is a face. Number 2, what are the shapes of the bases and how many bases are there? So again, our bases are the top and the bottom. So what shapes are they? And then how many are there? If we have 2, we have a prism. If we have 1, we have a pyramid. Number 3, what solid shape does this net form? Well, I know I have 2 bases, the top and the bottom, so it's got to be a prism. And the base is a rectangle, so it's a rectangular prism. And number 4, describe what characteristics you need to examine in order to determine what solid shape any net represents. So what's really important? How do I know what shape this is? I think it's all about the bases.